Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Google Meet. We click on settings like this here. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Google Meet. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.